My name is Tommy Rosen. I'm a yoga teacher and the founder of Recovery 2.0, and I invite you now into the Recovery 2.0 Morning Practice Challenge. My life has been a wild ride. I'm recovered from addiction for the last 28 years, and over that time, I've had a good look at the human condition. The work that I do in the world is all about helping people to create a positive transformation in their lives, to go from weaker to stronger, from scattered to focused, so that they can find greater success and truly excel in every area of their life. And over this time, people have asked me, Tommy, is there any one thing that I can do that will bring about that positive transformation, that will help me get beyond my negativity, that will help me to improve my relationships, that will help me to create greater abundance in my life, greater health in my life, greater wellness all around? And I say, yes, there is something you can do. There is one thing you can do. And that's morning practice. It makes perfect sense. If you want to have an incredible day, you have to start at the beginning of that day. When you get up in the morning, what you do in that first little bit of your day is going to determine the outcome of your entire day, and therefore it's going to determine the outcome of your entire life. Now, most people wake up and before their eyes are even open, they already are overcome by negativity, anxiety, and worry about the day to come. What ends up happening is most of us just struggle to get through a day rather than actually thriving and loving life and enjoying life and being creative and spontaneous. Most of us are on that hamster wheel. And to get off that wheel, we have to take control of the day right up front. Now, for 5,000 years, the most extraordinary people have been doing practices just like the one in this challenge. They wake up a little bit earlier than anybody else, and they set their mind and they set their body, and they create the conditions for a great day ahead. The most extraordinary yogis, athletes, business leaders, thought leaders, the most successful people have been waking up early. The evidence is in. So when you join this challenge, I'll send you the practice. You'll do it each day of the 14 days. And I'll also send you a helpful video each day to keep your momentum up, to inspire you, and to give you some important and powerful information through this process. At the end of this 14 days, you will find that in fact, a positive transformation has taken place. This is possible for anyone, no matter what you're experiencing. It just takes a little bit of commitment at the beginning of each day to get yourself set and to plant the garden for an amazing, fruitful day ahead of you. So I invite you into this challenge. Come and join me. I'll be with you each day, and we'll go through it together. And we will begin to sculpt a new pattern, a new way to go through the day, and we'll find greater success, greater strength, greater happiness, greater connectedness, more love in our life. I invite you to that, and I'll see you in the challenge. Until then, take good care.